Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bun from Bun Poker Fishing. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm out here at the Week Bay again. Coming out late, about 8 o'clock now, but I don't know what's gonna happen. The water's a little bit low, and I heard it was Jubilee a couple of days ago over there. Today I am using a diezel minnow 4-inch fire crawl collar with a 3/16-ounce Texas eye jig head with 30-pound mono, about 3 feet long, and the 20-pound braid from Uzuri. And I'm going with my go-to rod, which is Diawa Tatula Lit 7.3, and I'm pairing with my Diawa BG 3000 size. Let's see what we can find some flounder. Let's go. I'm gonna scroll a little bit slow to this area, cover that water right there, see if we can pick up a few flounder out here. But the water kind of low. I think they might be in the deep area right now, so we'll see. One, y'all, finally. That's one. Look at this. Oh yeah, good size, y'all. Good size, y'all. Oh yeah. First one of the day. Oh yeah, so thick, y'all. Beautiful fish. She right at 16.75. Yep. I would say right at 17. 17. Good eating fish, but I'm gonna tag this girl. Beautiful fish. 17-inch, y'all. Oh, 1919. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Ooh, she go. Hell yeah. Let's get on to it again, y'all. When I fish for flounder, I just like to come in like really close. I don't know if I should do that, but it sometimes it worked really well, you know. But lately I am been struggling with the flounder. It's just struggling to find them. This one, y'all. He thumped it. Oh my god, that's a good one, y'all. That was a good one. Goodness. Oh, that was a good one, y'all. That was a good one. That was a good one. Let's see if we can get him back. God, Lord. That's a good one. He thumbed it. Crazy. Goodness. Oh, man. Come on, baby. God, can't believe it. Come on, let's go. Come back, baby. Man, he was. That's back. He's back. He's back, y'all. Oh, come on. Why? 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 Crazy. Look at this. Come on, baby. You gotta be one. Look at this. I don't know the same fish, but he's solid. He's solid. Look at that. He's back. I don't know if it's 10, but dump it. Look, y'all. Beautiful fish, y'all. She is 1675. She right at 17 again. Yep. She right at 17 again. Let's get this girl out. Whew, finally got another second one. Earlier was like 17 even, but this one's 1675. Let's measurement her again. She, oh yeah, she right at 17, y'all. Yep, she right at. I say 17. Yep. Oh, 1,920. All right, buddy. Oh my goodness, she's ready. Oh, that's awesome, y'all. All right, for another 3 more. Let's go, baby. Ooh, that's another one already? That's another one? Oh yeah, come on, baby. Get out there. Get out there. Oh no. Get out there. Get out there. Get out. God, Lord. No. No. Get out. She's still there. Still there. Get out. Oh man, she might lose it. Good Lord. Still there, buddy? I don't want to go in there and ruin up the fish. Oh yeah, she's still there. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. She's still there, y'all. Oh yeah. Go back. All right. Okay, buddy. Look at this beautiful fish, y'all. I think she's about 17, 18 inch. I mean 17 probably. 17 and a half. Nice. Solid fish, y'all. Alright, let's tag this girl out, y'all. Sorry, but I need a new pen. 1921. Go, bud. There she go. Whew. Yes, sir. Man. Might be a couple more out here, y'all. Two more, buddy. 2 more. 17 and a half, 17. That's not bad. Come on, on, baby. I love this spot. It's like summertime of the year. I mean, this time of year, like started like mid-August. You know, they usually hanging out here a lot of time. Yeah, I cannot go without checking out this spot. You know, it's so good right now this time of year in August. Come on, one more, baby. Because I lost the first one, probably the good size. I can see him jumping, flashing like crazy. And then heavy too. When I set the hook, it was so heavy. Let's swap it to the diesel minnow, fire craw color. So you pick up something off the grass bed, right? Oh my. Pretty deep drop off right here. That's the one go. Maybe try. Oh, Flounder. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see him right there. God Lord. See him. Oh my God, what is that? Oh no, 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 no. Come on. What is that? Redfish? I think it's a redfish. Yep. Nice. He smoked that. He smoked that, y'all. He smoked that. Come on, buddy. Look at that fish, y'all. Oh, yeah. He smoked that. Come on, bud. That's awesome. Look at that fish. Beautiful magnolia fish. What? Oh, you're not ready yet. Oh, come on. Come up here. Man, that's fat. That fish is fat, yo. Solid fish, y'all. Look at that. Solid fat fish. Going for the diesel minnow fire craw. Beautiful fish, y'all. Look at that. Awesome. Now, she's right at 25. That's a tournament right there, y'all. Right, 24 and a half fat. All right, buddy. Thanks for the fight. All right. Go. Yes, she just smoked it. She just smoked that. All right, y'all. I'm gonna wrap it up. It's about 2 o'clock right now, and getting hot. So, yeah, caught 3 flounders and 1 redfish. Lost ones. It was just a good day for me. And it's like I said, it's been really struggling for me so far for the last few weeks. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. But if you do, please help me spread that subscribe button to help my channels grow, and that would help me a lot and mean a lot to me. And yeah, until now, I'll see you guys next video.